Sit up straight. Now ask for the canter. Now if he doesn't listen, ask for the canter again, this time with the crop. Ask again with the crop. You got to time it well with your leg. Oh, he wanted to do it, but then you pulled back on his mouth. Put your hands forward. Put your hands forward. Go ahead and grab a little mane. And now ask for the canter. There. Now sit in the saddle. See, you told him to stop there. Yep. Good. Now sit in the saddle and keep your hands forward. You're telling him to stop, and every time he's listening to you, ask again. Now sit in the saddle. Keep your hands forward. Sit up straight. It's real important that you keep your hands forward. If you have to grab a little mane at first until you get your balance, that's fine. Go ahead and do that. Now sit and ask for the canter. Grab that mane until you find you're sitting. Good. Now sit in that saddle. Find his inside hip and move with it. Good.